Hi there traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trading on OTC currency pairs because they are only available currency pairs on the weekend, and I'll be using technical analysis on them because it's the only applicable analysis. Fundamental analysis does not work on them. So I'll be looking at the support level, the resistance level, other patterns on the market, and technical analysis figures before opening a trade. I'll be working out on situations that I'm quite familiar with and try and make very good profit. So watch this video until the end and see how these situations work themselves out and if it's quite suitable for you. And also I'll be opening 1 to 5 minutes trades on 15 seconds Japanese candlesticks. And also don't forget to support this channel. The only way to do that is by giving this video a like. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe down below to my channel. So let me find my first entry point. Here at the bottom we have the level of support. You can see that the price has already fallen several times from this level, and at the moment there is a good and reliable movement. You see the price is approaching the level. So here I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes with a decrease according to the trend, because most likely the price will continue to move directly to the level of support, since we can see that the price has a good potential for a decrease here, and you can see that the price is moving down with good and reliable red candlesticks. And at the same time I took the time with the margin, taking into account the possible trading. You can see at the moment there is some kind of suffocation here, and perhaps in the near future I'll find some time to continue the movement in the trading zone. It can also happen from the top here, and only after that the movement will continue down, but I'm hoping that 2 minutes will be enough for this. So let me wait and see the results. So friends, as you can see, the price has risen to the top. After this, you can see the movement has continued down, and I was able to get very good profit from this. At the same time, I can also see that the price has not reached the level of support here. Therefore, I'm going to try and open the next deal here. I'm going to open a deal again for 2 minutes at a decrease, since I can see that after the decline, the price continues to move down, and I'm hoping that 2 minutes will be enough time. Let me wait and see the results. This is pretty awesome. As you can see, the price has continued to move to the level of support here, and I've received very good profit. You see the reaction has come from the level of the rise from the top, but the most important thing is I managed to work on the rising movement itself, and 2 minutes has been enough time for this. And as you can see, I've managed to focus 2 deals in a row so far, and you can see at the same time the price has certainly moved down, and I've managed to work on the downtrend. So this is not a bad start. Let me continue. So here at the top we have the level of resistance. You can see that at the moment the price is moving up confidently. The green impulsive candlesticks are formed, and at the same time the price has at least been updated. It becomes higher than the previous one. So here I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes at an increase at the rising trend. The decline has just happened at the moment, and most likely that after the decline the price will return again and continue to move to the level, and I'm hoping that in this situation 2 minutes will be enough time for this. Let me wait and see the results of the trade. Well friends, as you can see the decline has occurred, but after the decline you can see that the price has returned and the movement has continued up again. I have just managed to make very good profit from this. At the same time, we can also see that the price continues to move up confidently. So here I'm going to open the next trade. I'm going to open it for an increase for 2 minutes. At the same time, I can see the price minimum has been updated. It becomes higher. That is, the price is most likely moving up, and I'm hoping this time will be enough to earn profit in the coming movement. So let me look at this price and see what happens. Well friends, it's not bad at all. As you can see, after the decline the price has continued to move up, and I received very good profit. I managed to earn very good profit on this movement, and 2 minutes was enough time for this. You can see that the price had a good potential for a decrease in this trade, and at the same time you can see that the price has reached the level. So now I'll observe this price for a little bit. If the level starts to react and the price will move down, then I'll open the next deal here. So here you can see that the reaction has really reached the level. So I'm going to open a deal for 1 minute at a decrease, because it's quite possible that the price will move down in the near future and there'll be some correction movement. And since here I observe the red candlesticks that have started to form, I think that in this situation 1 minute will be enough. So let me wait and see the results. This is great, friends. As you can see, the price has really reached the level of resistance. I managed to earn good profit on this movement. You can see that 1 minute was enough time for this, and as you can see from this, technical analysis works quite well. I managed to focus 3 deals so far in a row. First, I worked on the price to the level, then I opened the deal at a decrease at the level support. So let me continue. So here in the middle, we have the level of support. At the same time, I can see that the price maximums are becoming lower. You can see there is a compression of the level. So here you can see that the price minimums are formed by the horizontal level of support, and you can see that the price and maximums are formed by the line of the rising trend. That's the figure of the technical analysis of the descending triangle is laid out. So in this situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes at a decrease, because at the same time I can see that the total potential of the price is at a decrease. You can see the main price and maximums are becoming lower. So here I opened a deal on the line of the downtrend, and this means that with more profitability from this region, the price will push and move down, and as a rule, the logical exit from the figure of the rising triangle goes down. That is, the level of support is broken. Therefore, now we'll try and work on this figure. Let me wait and see the results. Well, friends, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price continues to move down. Here I received a good profit. At the same time, I can see that the level of support has not yet been broken through. That is, the price continues to move in this figure. Therefore, I'm going to open the next deal here. I'm going to open it for 1 minute at a decrease, because I think that in the near future, the figure will work out and the level of support will be broken. And I'm hoping 1 minute will be enough. This is awesome, friends. As you can see, the price has really continued to move down. The level of support was broken through, and I've received very good profit. And as you can see, the situations work out quite perfectly, and at the same time I already have $6,000 in my deposit. So I'm going to open one last deal for today. So here you can see there was a good confident and upward trend. You can see there's also a level of support at the top. At the same time, the level of support was broken down, and the price of the rollout has turned and is approaching our level again. And at the moment, you can see there is a certain compression. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes at an increase, because I think that there's a probability in the near future the figure will continue to move up, since we also see that the price has a good potential for an increase here, and also the main price minimums are becoming higher. And I'm hoping that 2 minutes will be enough time for this, and also this time is with the margin taking into account the possible trades. But let me wait and see the results. Well, friends, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price has continued to move up, and I got great profit here. You can also see after the breaking through of the level, there was a rollout down, but as you can see, I had enough time for this trade. The most important thing is I managed to earn from this trade. You can see now I have $11,000 in my deposit, and I'm going to fix this profit and leave the market. So that was quite awesome. As you saw, I made very good profit today. I analyzed all the situations quite well using technical analysis, and I advise you to practice a lot using technical analysis. Find similar situations as I did today and practice a lot, and you'll be able to grasp it and make very good profit on your own. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, don't forget to comment down below. I'll be replying to all your questions, or you can join my private chat as well. You can also ask your questions there. And also don't forget to support this channel by giving this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching, and good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.